Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the Business Analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about a job that can earn you over $100K per month with just 1 month of training. What if I told you there's a career path where people are earning $129,000 a year, working from anywhere they want, and companies are literally begging for qualified candidates? And here's the crazy part. No coding required, no technical degree needed, and you could land your first role in just 30 days. Stick around because I'm about to reveal the #1 skill companies are paying top dollar for right now and why most people have never even heard of it. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. Let me guess. You're probably tired of watching other people land six-figure jobs while you're stuck in the same dead-end position. Maybe you're working long hours for mediocre pay, watching bills pile up, or feeling frustrated because you don't have those technical skills everyone talks about. Here's what nobody tells you. While you've been told that success takes decades of climbing the corporate ladder, there's an entire group of professionals quietly earning $104,000 to $150,000 plus per year in a role that barely existed 10 years ago. I'm talking about Salesforce business analysts. In New York and California, they're pulling in around $129,000. Texas, $110,000. Even in smaller markets like Ohio, they're earning $113,000. And the top earners? They're breaking $150,000 annually. These aren't isolated cases. This is happening over and over because the demand is absolutely insane right now. So what exactly is a Salesforce business analyst? Think of it this way. Salesforce is the world's #1 customer relationship management platform. Every major company you can think of uses it. Google, Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, they all run on Salesforce. And here's the kicker. They're all desperately searching for qualified business analysts. The Salesforce ecosystem creates millions of new jobs every year. But here's what makes this opportunity absolutely incredible. You don't need to code. You don't need a technical degree. You don't need years of experience. While everyone else is fighting over traditional jobs, you could be stepping into a career where companies are literally begging for qualified candidates. As a Salesforce business analyst, you're the bridge between business needs and technical solutions. You gather requirements, create documentation, design processes, and ensure projects run smoothly. And here's the best part. 95% of these positions are remote-friendly. Now I know what you're thinking. Ben, this sounds too good to be true. I get it. I was skeptical too. So let me address the biggest concerns. What if I don't have a degree? While most positions prefer a bachelor's degree, I've seen people with the right experience break through. Plus, these skills transfer to any business analyst role, not just Salesforce. What if I'm not technical? Perfect. That's exactly why this works. You don't need to be technical. You need to understand business processes and communicate effectively. What if Salesforce becomes obsolete? Salesforce makes over $17 billion in revenue annually and is growing on every continent. Cloud computing isn't a trend, it's the future. Here's what I need you to understand. This opportunity window won't stay open forever. Right now, you're in the perfect position to capitalize on this massive demand before everyone else catches on. As more people discover this career path, competition will increase and salaries may stabilize. The early adopters are the ones getting the highest salaries and best positions right now. And remember, we're not talking about a 5-year plan here. Most students are landing these roles in 30 days or less. Imagine earning more in 1 month than most people make in 3, working from wherever you want, with companies competing to hire you. If you're looking to become a business analyst, I highly recommend enrolling in the 30-day training program with SFBA Training. This training is for action takers ready to transform their career, people committed to following the complete system, and individuals who want to earn $100,000 plus within 12 months. If that's you, click the link in the description to sign up with SFBA Training. Don't wait. Every day you delay is another day someone else is getting ahead in this incredible market. Your 6-figure career is waiting. The question is, are you ready to claim it?
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.